Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is business case and how to write a business case. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and I would love to talk about this topic. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. What is a business case actually, friend? What is called as a business case? Friend, whenever we are initiating something like any project you are taking or companies are taking some initiative, they need some basis. Basis means that they need to answer few questions that why you are going to start something, what is the outline, what is the reason you are going to start something, how and who is necessary. So these are the questions for which we must have to answer whenever we are taking any initiative. For example, for example, um, let's suppose you are working in any bank, and the bank you have the bank has decided to launch a mobile application through they can fund transfer or they can do the donations, etc. So basically they need to make a business case for it. Business case means, friend, just think of this as a document which outline that why you are going to initiate some project, who will initiate it, why you are going to start it, and what are the benefits you will get once the project will implement. Okay, so this that is called as the concept of business case. Business case, friend, should include the business problem or opportunity. Like every like we have some need due to which we want to initiate some project. Any problem, like there are some problem, there is some need due to which we want to initiate some project. What are the benefits you will get from implementing the project? What are the risks, what are the issues which you are expecting, how much cost will be required, what will be the technical solution, how much time is required to accomplish the project, impact, what will be the impact on the operations, will it ease the operations, current operations, or not, or will it more complicate the existing implementation or operations, of what are the organization's capability to deliver the project outcome. So all these things should be covered in the business case document. So just think of this as a Microsoft Word document in which all these things should be properly documented and very well explained. Okay, and then next, the business case document basically answer four basic questions. First one is, what is your goal, why you are going to implement something, what is your objective basically, what's stopping you from reaching the goal, like means that what are the risks and issues which you are, what are the bottlenecks which you are thinking that it will may impact your progress or your objective, how much change is needed to overcome the problem, like what are the ways through which you can overcome or resolve the issues which you are expecting, and like how are you certain this will solve the problem or not. So all these are the questions basically, friend, which you must have to answer, or you can say you must have to explain in the business case document. Now, how to write the business case, friend? First of all, you must have a brief idea, you must have a clear idea mind that what you are going to implement first of all. Then it is very necessary that whatever you are writing, how it should be clear and concise and to the point. Okay, this is very necessary. um, like any complications, any there should not be any complications in the explanation of the business case. It should be very straight, your vision should be very clear, like what you are going to implement, like for example after 5 months or after 1 year that project will be implemented, and these are the benefits which you will get after the implementation. You should have to clearly define the benefits in the business case document, and the readability style should be very consistent, like throughout the project from starting till end of the document, the document should be consistent and clearly defined. Okay, now in the last, I just want to show you that just show you the outline of a business case document. First of all, friend, like executive summary, project definition, business requirement, evaluation of options, alternate options, what are the alternate options are available, recommendations, the strategy or logic of the project, benefits you will get from the project, risk, stages of a project, financial analysis, the estimate of project team resources will be required, how much resources will be required, and project authorization, who will authorize in the project. So friend, these are the outline which you must have to consider when you are making the business case document. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and I hope you like this video, or I hope that it will be beneficial for you. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.